Hi, Summer. Who are you riding?
Amigo.
Amigo. Wow, look at you.
And a big girl.
You are a big girl. That's so cool. Hi, Princess.
Hi, Mama.
Oh, did you help Grandpa saddle the horses?
He broke off the rope once because Grandpa was smacking him a little.
Yeah.
But on purpose.
Oh.
Clean that stuff off your face.
Did he straighten him out?
Yeah.
Hi, amigo.
That's just a little icky.
Look at you. I saw you brushing the horse. That was great.
Circle. Where's Grandma with the movies?
She's coming. This is a movie, too.
Oh, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Hurry up, Grandma.